You just got your OnePlus 11 phone. It is the Chinese model, and to your surprise, you realize that there is no Play Store on it. And that's right. For the most part, these Chinese OnePlus 11 phone here, just to show you, is not going to come with the Play Store. So in order to do that, I am going to help you figure it out in a way without saying certain things in this video that would cause this video to be in problems, if you know what I mean. So the first thing you want to do is go into your settings of your OnePlus 11 phone and tap on the settings icon here. Then go down to where it says additional settings. And when you're here, go down to where it says Google settings right there. This is going to be on your phone out of the box. Okay, so first go ahead and turn it on, and this is just a little bit of troubleshooting that I did along the way, and in mix with other tutorials I've seen online that would help you get it. Okay, so turn this on, and when you turn this on, you will be prompted to sign in using your Google account. Okay, so go ahead and do that. When you sign in, restart your phone. After you restart your phone, you'll notice now that this option here will be available. Now, when it's available here, don't do anything just yet, okay? So we'll go ahead now and we'll need to use this browser. This browser here is the only browser that will be on your device, as anything else, any other store, online store, may be in Chinese and you won't have any idea how to get to where you want to be. So go to this browser here. And once you're here in this browser here, the first thing you want to search is the Google APK, okay? This right here, right? The Google APK here. And again, there's some words I'm not gonna say, and then you're gonna, this one right here, look that up. And when you look it up, you're gonna go ahead and select the link here, this one here. And then you're gonna run it, install it. You'll get some prompts here. It's going to run the scanning thing and it's going to install it for you. Okay, now you will have to do this on your own accord, try it out, and after that you will now have this here. You'll be able to have this here, this Google browser here, and when you go here, the thing you want to search for using this in particular is this here. All right, you'll look for this exactly. And I'm only not saying the words there because I remember saying that word in one of my videos and it got a strike. Don't ask why. But with that there, once you do that here, you could use the very first link. And then when you enter into the very first link, this one here, you'll see all this stuff popping up and all that stuff here. And you'll go ahead and select this here. You might tap on it and something might not happen or nothing might happen. But then just come back again and you might see an option that says if it's not showing, then tap it on it again, okay? And once that's all said and done, if you don't see anything running yet, you can always tap here and then you can go here to view what's being run in the background. Then when the file is ready, of course, you'll tap on it, let it scan, run it, install it, and after that, you should have this here. And then of course, you can go ahead and sign in to your Google account. Okay, so because I did it already, hopefully the way I showed you would help you or give you an idea of what to do to help you get Play Store on your phone. Okay, so hopefully this guide helped you, and likes up. Thanks for watching.